Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about physiology of taste and applied aspect. So what we will be discussing: introduction, physiology of taste, taste pathway and applied aspect. Right. So introduction, taste is felt by the tongue. So tongue is an important organ for the taste. Now let us see what are the taste buds. Here we can see the kinds of papillae which we are finding. We'll get into the anatomy. So this part, valate papillae, this part is called the circumvallate papillae. Circum means circle, remember. Folate, folate papillae. Folate means leaf-like. Okay. These are the filiform papillae. The small dots you are seeing now. These are the filiform papillae. This at the dorsum of the tongue. Here we are having the fungiform papillae. Now let us see what is the structure of a taste bud. So this is the taste pore. You can see there are 4 cells. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 types of cells are there. Okay. And this is the nerve supplying those cells. Now what are the types of taste we have to understand? Sweet, salt, sour, bitter and umami. Umami was newly introduced in the types of taste anyway. So sweet is from aldehydes, ketones, amino acids, etc. So amino acids like glycine, alanine and valine will be sweet. Receptor, GPCR, just remember only GPCR. Next, salt. Salt is from the ammonium or the sodium salts and also halogens except fluorine. And ENaC channels are important. Next, sour, acids are sour because of excess H plus. ENaC channels once again. Bitter, they are from the glycosides, the organic glycosides. Inorganic is from the calcium, magnesium. GPCR receptor. Umami is MSG, monosodium glutamate, and the receptor is mGluR4, metabotrophic glutamate receptor. So this is about the types of the taste. Let us see the taste pathway. So it is starting from the parietal cortex. From the parietal cortex, what we are getting? From the parietal cortex into the ventero-posterior nucleus of thalamus, then into the medial lemniscus, then into the NTS. What is NTS? Nucleus tractus solitarius. Then the neurons will go into the nucleus tractus solitarius. Then we are getting 3 cranial nerves: facial, glossopharyngeal and vagus. And that is supplying the taste buds. So this is the taste pathway. Now applied aspect. So we have agousia, hypogousia, dysgeusia, taste blindness. Agousia, remember gousia means taste, A means absent, totally no taste sensation. This is the lesion of the nerves from the NTS, nucleus tractus solitarius. Hypogousia, hypo, reduced taste sensation. Dysgeusia, dys means disturbance or disgusting. So there is disturbed taste sensation. We will be tasting very bad smelling, the bad tasting things. This may involve the temporal lobe. There can be a lesion of the temporal lobe. And taste blindness. Remember, taste blindness and agousia is different. Agousia is the lesion of the nerves. Taste blindness is not involving the nerve lesions. But one point is common, that is the loss of taste sensation. Okay. So references from where the images were taken. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.